I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these strong and beautiful half-blind dovetails. Hi, I'm Chris Paulk with the Smart Woodshop. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories, the router table, the smart cart, or the Smart Woodshop itself, there's a link in the description down below. I'm going to use this Dovetail jig to make these half-blind dovetails. This one is from UJK, and the first thing I'm going to do is set it up. I'll use my material to set my height. Now I need to adjust the comb either backward or forward. There's an etched line right across the fingers of the comb, and I'm going to bring that line right to the back of the material. Now that I have the front board in the position I want it, I'm going to set the side stop so that every board will be in the exact same position. And the side stop with the upper board gives it the perfect offset. I don't even have to change this if I go to a wider board. This usually takes me about 5 minutes to set up. Now to set up the router. Half-blind dovetail requires a pattern bit, and I've already got that installed. Next, I'm going to install the bushing. It's what follows the pattern and gives me an accurate cut. I like it much better than my other dovetail jig, which uses a pattern bit. With a pattern bit, it goes up and down with the router, and you can actually hit the side and damage your jig. And now I'm going to install the bushing on my router. Now I'm going to set the cutter depth. Really easy because there's a cutter set line right on the jig. Ready to cut? Well, almost. Dust collection, power, safety glasses. Normally I wouldn't stop here, but I just wanted to show you I did a scoring pass so I get a nice clean cut. Let's see how it fits. Perfect. If it was too tight, we would just raise the bit up and do another test cut. Before I dovetail this drawer, a couple of things to know. On a half-blind dovetail, you only see the dovetail from the side, not the front or the back. The sides are cut on the front of the machine, and the fronts and the backs are cut on the top. And it's kind of hard to wrap your mind around it, but we're cutting the drawer inside out. So the top that you see is the inside of the drawer, and the front that you see is the inside of the drawer. And when you go to cut the other end of your material, you want to rotate it. You don't want to flip it or spin it. And the same with the front piece. You want to rotate it like a propeller. You don't want to flip it or spin it. That's how easy it is to make perfect blind dovetails every time. If you want to see me take over the shop more often, then give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop.